Hi everyone, my name is Damian and I'm a plant-based chef at Shangri-La Hotel, Singapore. Alright, are you ready to start? Let's go! Use a melon scooper to cut out small balls of pumpkin, or cut the pumpkin into cubes of 2.5 centimeters per side. Cut the garlic and slice the ginger. Add the rosemary and cover all the ingredients with olive oil. The idea to confit properly the pumpkin is to maintain the temperature at 60 degrees Celsius. When small and slow bubbles start to rise in the pan, means you are in the correct range of temperature. Confit the pumpkin for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll cut the zucchini with the mandolin into 3mm layers. The next step is to cook the zucchini in the pan, and it's not necessary to use any kind of oil, just cook directly the zucchini in the pan. After 30 minutes, remove the pumpkin from the stove and cool down completely. Now I start to prepare the cream. Place all the ingredients in a blender and mix until you get a cream. Add the nutritional yeast and continue to blending for a couple of minutes. The texture will be dense, similar to ricotta. Transfer the cream in a pastry bag and refrigerate for around 20 minutes. Lay out 4 slices of zucchini, each overlapping the other lengthwise. Then pipe the almond cream in the zucchini, keeping it in the center. Roll up the zucchini, pressing with your fingers so that the cream is compact inside. Fold the slice inward and position it vertically. Place the pumpkin on the top and finish to garnish with the flowers. I hope you can enjoy making this recipe at home.